Today I'm going to show you how to make ginger and milk curd. It is very simple dessert and it's very delicious and less fattening than making custard. All you need is a 2% reduced fat milk, sugar, fresh ginger juice. It has to be fresh, cannot be overnight. I use my juice machine to juice it. You can do it old-fashioned way using the cheese grated and then squeeze the juice out, or another way that you use the Japanese grinder, which we would demonstrate in another video. So what you do is you pull a cup of milk. I don't like milk too much, so I'm just only use 6 ounces. And then we put it into the microwave and make it hot for 50 seconds. We heat it for 50 seconds, just like you're making hot tea. So we put 2 tablespoons of ginger into another bowl. I like to use a clear bowl so you can see the custard. And then we get the sugar ready. You can substitute sugar with blender. Oh, for the ginger you can get it in Whole Foods store or get it at a Chinese supermarket. It's almost ready. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add more if you want it to be sweeter, and you just mix it. And then you pull this into the ginger juice and do not disturb it for 2 minutes. Let it set. So I'm going to set a timer for 2 minutes. And we're done. When it's set, you should just place your spoon on top of it. If you can support it, then you're very successful. It's 2 minutes, so we're going to check to see the texture of our milk curd. So if you set it up, see, it's sitting on top of it. Very delicious. Enjoy. You have to eat this warm. You cannot just make it and forget about it. So now I'm going to show how we extract the juice. You can get one of these at a Japanese store or Chinese supermarket. And then you cut the skin off your ginger so it tastes better, and you just so you need 2 tablespoons. So just demonstrate, and then you just pull it up, and the juice will come out. It takes about 5 minutes for 2 tablespoons.